This is a story about love, just as nature intended, with Nature's Love Bird's Nest. Now you can be a part of nature's own secret to youth, health, and beauty. Let's go on a journey of discovery into what makes Nature's Love Bird's Nest so unique. Swiftlets, just like humans, desire to love and be loved. As an act of love, swiftlet couples build nests for their babies to be. There are 6,000 swiftlets in our bird nest house and 3,000 birds' nests where there must be a couple for every nest. During harvesting, nests with eggs and baby swiftlets are left untouched. The practice of green harvesting is instilled. Only empty nests are harvested after baby swiftlets have fully grown. Loving Farmer provides the best produce, guided by a simple philosophy. We farm, harvest, pre-select, care, and share. We understand the importance of love and respect and believing that our consumers' health is of utmost importance. Good hygiene is a top priority here. What makes Nature's Love Bird's Nest superior to others is in pre-selecting the largest and nicest bird's nest produced by mature swiftlets. This A-grade product is made from 100% natural produce that uncovers the secret to youth, health, and beauty. This inner core serves as the most important foundation of a nest. This is the area where newborns are rested and pampered during their entire growth process. Inner core, like a structure of a trampoline, provides the strongest and highly elastic area for the comfort of their babies. So, how do we make Nature's Love Bird's Nest so irresistible? We farm swiftlets at over 13 pristine locations within Selangor and Perak. Only the largest and nicest inner core bird's nests are selected, rich in enzymes, minerals, and vitamins. Each hand-picked inner core's bird's nest is hygienically cleansed with filtered water, with feathers and dirt removed. The cleaned inner core bird's nest will be sent for vacuum bottling to maintain its nutritional values at all times. Each bottle is then carefully inspected for quality assurance. We are committed to deliver the best to our consumers with highest quality products and making sure the bird's nests can be enjoyed at the convenience of their homes. Defrost it, boil it, serve it, all within 15 minutes. You can even scan a QR code to see our lovely live birds. As a seal of quality, Loving Farmer products are certified with Good Manufacturing Practice, HACCP, and Malaysian Veterinary Board. Nature's Love Bird's Nest is your ultimate choice for a healthier and youthful lifestyle, just as nature intended.